Welcome to my first video ever. Today I'm going to teach you how to freeze frame in Sony Vegas Pro starting now. First things first, select a part you want to freeze. So I'm going to split this and freeze this clip. So first things first, you're going to right click, insert/remove envelope. Click on velocity, and then if you see this green dot right here, you want to right click and set to 0. And now everything is frozen. And if you want to get rid of it, if you want to unfreeze it, you can go back here and then unclick it, and then things will be back to normal. So thank you guys so much for watching this quick tutorial. This is go check out my gaming channel. I'll be doing some stuff there, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.